channel I'm making, so my first video. So I'm going to teach you how to do cartwheels. So I prefer no socks because you could slip even if it's on the slippery part. So let's get to it. And I'm Samhita. So first, if you want to do a cartwheel, I would say you have to practice first. So hands up, then put one hand here, and then the other hand in front of it, but sideways, not like this way, like this. Okay, then put one leg up. That's all you're going to learn for one step to make it easier for you. And then if you're righty, you would do it the way I showed you. But if you're a lefty, you would do it a way different way, about this way. So you would go like this, start with this hand, your left hand, then go to this hand, then leg up. Your right leg up. So left hand on the bottom, then right leg up. So after that, I would say the right way, we're going to go like down, up. Then I would do it the same way, but practice with this leg up. So then when you start with that leg would be easy to go down with. So one leg up, but then other leg up. After that, I would want you to try one. If you don't land like that, and land like this, like this, then you kind of did a handstand. But I would want you to do it this way. So how to do that way is when you do that way, you don't have to put the leg up, but when you put it up, this leg's going to be first to go do that. So you have to control this leg first. So after you control that leg, you have to make your leg put both, then you have to put both legs up and control this leg to make that leg put it more like that. So after that, when you're done controlling this leg and make it go turn down, you have to control the left leg by when it's still going to be up, because then when you land, you're only going to first land this side. Then in that leg, you have to control to make it land, then let go of your hands to make it a perfect land. But if you follow this way, like that, then it means you let go one of your hands, or you forgot one to control your left leg. So then you have to control your left leg, then right, to make it perfect. So then after that, try it like a billion times. And if you're lefty, it's the same thing, but you have to do everything. You have to first control your left leg. You first have to control your right leg, then control your left leg. Right? Yeah. So a one-handed cartwheel is going to be a later video. But for now, watch Sahasra&Samhita, then come back for another video. Bye!